Gotta mark out a new neck. There we go. Now, I got a new template marked out. I'm gonna go get it cut out right quick so I can get it trimmed. So let's get that done. And we also got to get this body piece cut out, and then we're gonna do a little adjusting on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out roughly anyway. So let's get that done. Let's go. I got the old Skill jigsaw out. We're gonna use it to cut this neck roughly. Got that roughed out. Got the body laying right here. Get it laid where I don't cut into the table. Let's start on this side, cut through here, and then we'll go back around. We're going to bring it out. Finish it. I like when I'm going this ass backwards. There we go. We got the rough cut. We'll take it over to the jigsaw and do a little work, but I ain't gonna get too close here because I'm still working on that. That's my plan. So guys, let's move over to the other saw and get it a little trim a little tighter. How about that? Okay. I got the old toggle shot ready to fire up here. Y'all don't know anything about this. You'll learn more about it as we go along here. We're going to finish trimming out this blank and get it close, and then we'll finish it. I got the old toggle shop here. Now this is an ancient piece right here, guys, but guess what? It works. So we're going to use it. So we're going to fire the old button up. I had to finish my body out with the jigsaw. I got the neck cut out, trimmed out, and flattened them out. And get the edges smoothed on them. Okay, next thing we're going to be doing, going to the sander. And that's right over there on that table. We'll get it set up and get over there next. I bet y'all ain't never seen a sander like that, have you? I'm going to take it and lay it on the table and draw around it and see if anywhere is out of proportion, and then I'll adjust it to get it back in proportion. That's the plan. Get style points for using something this beautiful to burnish your tape down with. Well, there we go. Let that sit up a few minutes while I take a little break. Give me something to drink. And then we'll go out there and run it across the router and clean it up. Didn't quite get to the top edge, but I can get a little relief in here. Let's take this around one more time. I got a little high edge on the edge there, y'all see that? The blade didn't quite reach all the way to the top, so I'm just going to take it one more pass. Take that off. Shouldn't have any problem with that, I don't think. Got that.